The cure for being in a relationship rut isn't more time together, it's more time apart. Hi, I'm Susan Regan, and I have been helping couples strengthen their relationship for over 30 years. So it's true. Do an assessment on the relationship by being alone and appreciating and just spending enough time alone that you don't have to want for more time alone. Negotiating alone time is a really important part of getting out of a rut because that leads to excitement to be back together or contentment. Alone time. It's an answer to a lot of problems in relationships, and one of them is intimacy and relationship ruts. Spend some time alone, re-energize yourself, come back and share your energy, your new energy now with your partner.